Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 2 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita, so far?
So far, it's going.
Good, good. So did you lose any weight over the last 2 weeks?
Yes, 3 pounds altogether. Learning as each step as we go along is what's going to make it a long-term thing rather than a short-term large loss. It's going to be a long-term thing.
That's right. That's why we're not trying to find like shortcuts for losing weight. And that's why it's a lengthy process.
Right.
Because as we learn, we will be focusing on how to apply what we learn. Like we're not trying to focus only on losing weight right away. It's more like I would say, do you agree with me if I say the challenging part is how to gain knowledge, how to learn?
Yes.
Right? It's more than how to lose weight, right? Or when to lose weight, right? And that's why we're doing it in a different way. So like you mentioned before the recording that you went outside with some friends.
Yes.
And so that means you still have some room to enjoy the food you like, right? We're not putting too much restrictions on the diet, right? And we are doing it slowly.
Oh yes, because once again, like has been mentioned in this program so far, it's changing your mindset.
Correct.
And that doesn't happen overnight.
Absolutely.
Because I've done the overnight diet, lost lots, gained lots.
Yeah.
It doesn't work. Being educated and then getting the incentive to change a lifestyle is what
that's
the point is.
That's good. And what's your goal on week 10 from?
205.
205. Do you still on track? We can do it in
I think we can.
Okay, it's a challenging.
Barring any weekends.
Yes, it's a challenging, but I still can. I still believe this is something doable. It will take a lot of self-discipline for sure, but it will take some time to learn, right? Understand first before we make a change to the lifestyle. Thank you so much for